inch install, but just a little bit less.
And everything fits
here.
Yep.
And that's our timer right there.
And here's the whole mat. So this is the mat before. So the treadmill is okay. So the treadmill is reset. And oh wait, this needs to be right there. Okay. Yeah, so everything is pretty much reset. Ooh. Oh God. Okay. So yeah. All right. Okay.
Are you ready?
Okay, so here's the timer. All right, 3, 2. Okay. So now it's gonna do the basketball, and it's gonna try to put the cube in.
And then it's going to do gotcha. And it's going to come back and slide, come back and then do step counter. And we also put the...
And the cube went in.
And then we also put... What is this called?
The animation motor.
And then we also do the animation project and put the replay.
All right, let's go. I was gonna do gotcha.
You ready?
Yeah. And it knocks down both of the cubes.
1 minute and 45 seconds. Ready?
And all right. Okay. Now I'm gonna do slide.
1 minute, 30 seconds.
Oh.
Hit the
It
slide.
hits the slide. No, that's not supposed to happen.
It's not supposed to happen, but
I mean, it's working. So. Yeah. Okay, so
it only brought one person back.
Yeah. Fuck it. Ooh. There you go.
Get the animation project.
The animation project is on there. And we have 46 seconds left.
Wait, no.
Okay. And currently
It is on yellow right now.
Oh, now it's on blue. Okay.
Should come back to base now.
And
And now we're going to do James. And 20 seconds left. Finish.
alright. Oh. Yeah.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
That's it.
Now I'm going to show you the map.
Okay.
So-
drop the red and blue cube.
Wait, hold on. So this is on blue. Can I see it?
Yeah.
So it's on blue, right there. Both people are off the slide. Only one's at home.
Yep.
So
Basketball has the cube.
basketball has all the way up and has the cube inside.
Wait, oh, they can't see that. All right, the basketball has the cube in it. It's all the way up.
And the bocce, both cubes are out. And yeah.
And so the med kits, I mean the health units,
Alright.
they're on the replay levels, so 5 of them. But the animation project isn't exactly on the replay level.
Yeah.